What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change Steam region, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So if you had a clue about this, of course the answer is using VPN. So for you guys that don't know what VPN is, basically a VPN is a tool that changes your region. So when you're using some app or anything, with the VPN's help, the app thinks you are maybe in America. Let's say maybe you're from Spain and you're using VPN, the app thinks you are in America. So what you want to do is basically find a VPN that suits you the most and basically pick up one service and download and install a VPN app on your device. Select an appropriate server location and head to the Steam store. Select the desired game and click buy, and once in your shopping cart, change your Steam country, including your new billing address with a zip code. So can you change it? You can update the store country each time you change location, as long as you use payment method that matches your Steam country setting. Keep in mind that changing the store and wallet country will be permanent and cannot be changed again until you move back to other country. So you can bypass this with VPN. I'm not the biggest fan of using the VPN with Steam, but if you need to and if you want to, you can easily follow the steps I just gave you. So as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. That's it for today's guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.